Welcome to Atlanta. We're taking you on a very little scenic tour before we approach the property, because today we are looking at the $15 million home that used to belong to the one and only Tyler Perry. Amassing a wealth of over $600 million before the age of 50, Tyler Perry has homes all across America but chose to work in Georgia, where his film studios are located. A fan of the area, this Atlanta 17-acre property was built in 2007 overlooking the Chattahoochee River. The house design is based on the Palace of Versailles, consisting of stately rooms, a two-story library, tennis courts, gym, spa, theatre, hobby house, formal and informal gardens, presidential level security, residential entrances. Whew, I'm out of breath. All of these wonderful iconic rooms with that iconic architecture spans the 34,688 square foot home, consisting of 7 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms. Televangelist David Turner brought the house from Perry and then sold it later to talk show host Steve Harvey for $15 million. Wow, I'd just get lost in that cinema. Look at the architecture. I'd be too busy looking at the ceiling than looking at what's going on the screen. A beautiful property, and you can find all the links to the property agents and the listing in the description box below. Thank you very much, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, click the little bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.